Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is Track Tune and this is by Hotwheels and this is from their Color Shifter series, and this is 2023 edition, and this is a new one. So this I bought just like literally a day back. So let's open and see how it looks. I'm actually excited to get my hands on single piece Hotwheels in India because it just started coming through. Okay, so here we have some cold water. So I personally, okay, let me just show you the car first. Here is a closer look. It has some kind of skeleton vinyl here, and the rims looks really nice on this one. So I personally loved this for some reason because it looks really cool. I'm not a fan of Hot Wheels own cars, but this and the twin mill I really loved it. And there is one more which is in the 5-pack set which I unboxed, the Hyper Rocker. Okay, so let's put it and see. Okay, does not change into a red color which they mentioned in the back of the box, but it does change into some kind of orange color. I was hoping that it would change into a red color and the skeleton will just pop up. So the one thing I really love about Hot Wheels over Majorette when it comes to the color changes is the color which is getting changed, it is getting retained for a long time compared to a Majorette. Because Majorette, the moment you take it out of the cold water and if you put your hands on it, it will immediately in an instant it will change back to the old color. But this one is really nice. Hot Wheels one is really, it retains the color a lot. So I have this Mitsubishi Lancer Revolution. If you remember, I unboxed this some time back. So that one retained that color for 3 days. Okay, here is a closer look. The windshield actually looks really cool, the blue color. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.